was Dimetapp for?
I want to say throat cold, like a sore throat.
That was like wine. That was drinking wine.
That's the one I got drunk on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And passed out.
Okay, I need to give context to this. Hold on. I was really, how young was I? I was like,
You were 5.
I was gonna say 4, but I think I was about 5. And I just drank. I think I thought it was juice, and I just drank a little bit,
Because it tastes nice.
and I fell asleep for like a really long time, and my mom freaked
For like
out.
3 hours.
Yeah, I was asleep for a while. Anyway, so my mom called the ER, and they were like, no, she's fine. She's just having a good sleep. She'll be fine.
She had a tot of whiskey is what they
It's like
said.
they said, she just had a tot of whiskey. Lol.
Good times.